Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reduce screen shakes on the Rogue Prince of Persia game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Rogue Prince of Persia game on your device and you can continue playing from wherever you last left off right away. Now within your gameplay, if you wish to reduce the screen shakes, then in order to change this option, press the escape button or pause the game from your joystick. Then just go into options. And now click on accessibility at the top. This will now show you various different options, and this also includes screen shake intensity. This is set to 1 by default, so you can try reducing it to your desired value. The lesser it is, the lesser the screen will shake. So choose your desired screen shake intensity and then press the escape button and make sure to confirm your changes by choosing apply. Now your settings have been changed and the intensity of your screen shake will have been reduced based on your level that you have chosen. And you can change this setting at any point of time in the future by once again going back into the same menu. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to reduce the screen shakes on the Rogue Prince of Persia game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.